This is a truss for a building that's modifying. This is actually the same design that was used in the Dallas Cowboys practice tent that collapsed. It caused some injuries and some other things. The company we're doing this for hired an engineer to come up with a design. What they came up with is this 2-inch plate, 4-inch thick, welded on, 5/8 butt weld, a 4-inch interval, and a 4-inch strap. These are the guys working on it with me. Using 835 solid wire, gas metal arc weld or MIG weld. We're using 75-25 argon 202 mix. Another machine. Using the Miller XM304s with the 22A MIG guns in. Hopefully this design will work and this one won't collapse. If this one collapses, Ed, this ain't our fault. If it collapses, it ain't our fault. We didn't come up with this design. I think the one in Texas went down from high winds. These will be supported. They'll have cables in the middle of them, tying them together. The turnbuckles attached to tighten them up. The tent design has a fabric cover. Yeah, 48 of these all together. There's 4 pieces of platform in each one. And that's all together. They're looking to put this building up in June. Let's close up the head's big ass goatee. Yeah, look at that thing. That won't catch on fire. Look at some of the welds. Just weld. There it goes. Over 12,000 plug welds all together. What we have to do. My weld mode. All brought to you by International Brotherhood of Boilermakers, Union Boilermakers, Building a Better America, shipbuilders, railroad workers. flag back in the background. You see that?